Since its first debut in 2018, Nissan's Terra has consistently sold well. Although arriving at the pickup platform car party quite late, the Terra had no trouble attracting local clients. The significantly improved Terra arrived in the Philippines in 2021. Not only did it have new sheet metal at the front and back, but it also received a new interior and a ton of additional refinement. But Nissan isn't quite done with its SUV based on the Navara yet. Nissan introduces a brand new top-of-the-line model for its midsize SUV this year. Consider it a type of black edition for this SUV, known as the Nissan Terra Sport. Beginning at the front, the Terra Sport swaps the chrome grille, fog light housings, and underguard with a gloss black component. Yet, a trim piece that is exclusive to the Terra Sport gives the bumper corners a bolder appearance. The gloss black wheels on the Terra Sport are another component that is unique to it. If it appears familiar to anyone, it is basically the wheel from the Navara VL, but without the two-tone accents. The additions to its side include blacked-out stepboards, fender garnishes, side mirrors, and roof rails. Moreover, it has a trim piece at the back that emphasizes the corners. Gloss black finishes are also used for the underguard, spoiler, and rear tailgate garnish. The color you are currently looking at is Stealth Pearl Gray, and along with Fiery Red, it is only available in this variety. The interior of the Sport borrows heavily from that of the Terra VL, with the exception of the black accents that replace the burgundy ones. The updated, but smaller, touchscreen is the only other inside modification. The 2.5-liter turbodiesel engine from the EL, VE, and VL is also used in the Terra Sport. Power remains at 187 horsepower and 450 Nm as a result. Both a 4x2 and a 4x4 version of the Terra Sport are offered, with the latter adding extra features such as rear differential lock, an off-road monitor, hill descent control, and a Bose sound system.